Hello guys, you're welcome back to my Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. My name is King. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to remove background noise from your videos, thereby making your videos sound much better. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not already done that. So over here in Premiere, I have a video that I've brought in. Because I don't want this screen here to be blank, I'm just going to go ahead and bring in a still image. So, okay, still image of myself so that I'm not distracted by the black screen over here. So you also will not get distracted by the black screen over there. Okay, so if I take this to the beginning and hit play, you will hear how the audio sounds right about now. Let me drag this and drag this lower. All right. Hi guys, my name is King from Ivisualpro. Welcome back to my Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass. I would love to kindly request that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my video, and drop your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you very much, guys. Okay, let me take that to the beginning again. Hi guys, my name is King from Ivisualpro. Welcome back to my Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass. I would love to kindly request that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my video, and drop your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you very much, guys. So I'd love you to notice the noise that starts at the beginning and at the end. It's also underneath my voice over here, but it's more pronounced at the beginning and at the end of the video. The first thing I would love to, the first thing you need to do is to come over to your Effects tab, switch to Effects, and under Effects, all you need to do is to type denoise. You can find this under audio effects, noise reduction, and restoration. You'll find denoise over there. Drag your denoise and place it right on top of your audio. And automatically by default, Premiere is going to set it at 40%. So if you move back now, you can come over to your denoise setup here in your effects control panel and hit edit. Now you will notice it's automatically set at 40%. You might want to increase it to probably 50 or 60, but 40 is always fine. Cancel that, go back to the beginning and play it now. Hi guys, my name is King from Ivisualpro. Welcome back to my Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass. I would love to kindly request that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my video, and drop your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you very much, guys. I can literally not hear any sound at the beginning and at the end. I can literally not hear any sound at the middle over here. So, but the next thing I would love to show you is how to quickly remove background noise from your audio track in Premiere Pro. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this into a couple of segments. Imagine, for example, you have audios across different tracks in Premiere and you want to quickly edit the audio of an entire track in Premiere at an instant. All you need to do is to come over to your audio over here. And once you're in your audio, you can come over to this arrow here, select this arrow and select audio track mixer. Remember guys, we're trying to apply the effect to a whole track. We're not, so you don't want to select audio clip mixer, select your audio track mixer, and then you will find different tracks here to indicate the different tracks you have. You can scroll down to ensure that you are working on the right track. So you can see audio 1 for our audio 1 track here, audio 2 for this audio 2, and the master is this master track over here. There's nothing on that. So because I want to apply the effect on this entire clips here on track 1, I'll come over to the top of this audio 1 over here, scroll to the top. Under this audio 1, if I come over it, you'll find this effect selection arrow pointing down. Select that. I can now move down to whatever effect I want to apply to that entire track. We have noise reduction, filter, delay and echo, reverb, special, and all of that. So I'm just going to go to my noise reduction and restoration, hit on the noise, and automatically the amount has already popped up, noise reduction at 40%. And that's a quick way to apply your effect to your entire track. So this effect now is going to be applied to the entire of track 1 in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the last technique I would like to show you guys on how to remove noise from your audios in Adobe Premiere Pro is to come over to your essential sound panel over here. But if you can't find it, it's easy. You just come over to Windows and tick your essential sound panel over here. So once you are in your audio tab, on your audio panel here, essential sound should pop. Now under essential sound, you'll be greeted with a couple of options. You need to help Premiere identify what kind of audio you're working with. So if it is a dialogue, you select dialogue. If it is a music that you want to remove the noise from, you select music. If it is an FX sound, you select SFX. If it is an ambience, you select ambience. So this is a dialogue because it has my voice registered in it. I'll select dialogue, and under this dialogue there are two options. Now Premiere has given us a couple of presets, so you can see presets written here, default, and you'll see some presets. You can quickly come over here and click clean up noisy dialogue, and automatically Premiere will apply that effect to the track that you have selected, which is just this single track here. If you come over here to this monitor and change it to effects control, you can see all the effects that we have applied to them over here. So I can decide to go back here and take it back to default. And once you take it back to default, you will notice that it's no longer there. It has left, except the first denoise that we applied to the entire track here. So another option is you might want to manually apply this effect by yourself so that you can remove some rumble, the noise, the hum, and all of that. So what I would like to do is to come over here. So you can come over to this point here and select any of the options you want. If you want it to sound like you're from a TV station or from a telephone or from a radio, whatever option you want, you can select a balanced male voice. Now, this is going to give it a balanced male voice feel. If I give it a play. Hi guys, my name is King from Ivisualpro. Welcome back to my Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass. Alright guys, so now at this point you can now decide to manually reduce it to whatever level you want it to be. So this is at 3%. You want to be careful not to take it above the point where your voice ceases to sound like a normal human being and you begin to sound automated. So let me try 4.4. Take this to the beginning. Hi guys, my name is King from Ivisualpro. Welcome back to my Adobe Premiere Pro. So you have a lot of options here. You can reduce the rumble on it, you can reduce the dehum, and you can reduce the reverb and all of that. Now, you can select on your clarity and work on all of that. One thing I like about this essential panel option is that you can actually increase or reduce the volume of your sound in real time. So once I'm increasing it here while it's also speaking. Now you can also create a preset. Let's say, for example, I like all the options I've done over here. You can come over to this arrow that is pointing downward and click Save Preset. And you can just save this preset as Ivisualpro Pro Audio. For example, Audio actually, and click OK. So if I, for example, should go back to default, removing that effect on this clip, and I want to now apply my own presets to it, all you need to do is to now select this back arrow down and you will see the preset that we have created. Just select it and that preset has been applied to that particular clip. So you can apply whatever preset you want to an entire track, or you can create and apply it to an entire track or just a single audio selection. And also you can come over and delete that preset. You can see the preset is still showing there. Once you click on delete, it gives you a prompt that you're trying to delete this preset and all of that. You just click yes and that preset is deleted. Alright guys, so that's how to remove background noise from your audios in Premiere Pro, making your audio sound way better. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and I hope you found this video very useful. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not already done that, and don't forget to drop your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you very much guys.